Yeah, very good morning. A very good morning to our beloved management, Principal Dr. Shankar Garu, the team members of this faculty development program, all speakers and participants. Myself, Lieutenant Dr. Ravindra Babu Kallam, the convener of this program and professor and head of the Department Computer Science of Kamala Institute of Technology and Science, belongs to Telangana State. On behalf of myself and my department, I welcome you all to this online 6-day faculty development program on machine learning algorithms applications. We are organizing this program in association with the Computer Society of India Hyderabad chapter, and which is sponsored by Trilogic Soft Solutions AP Private Limited Hyderabad. I am very glad to mention that we got very good response from not only from the Pan India, we also received response from all over the world. Around 1300 participants we have allowed. To give the quality output, we have restricted the registrations. I am very thankful to all registered participants for this tremendous response, and I am sure definitely you will get benefit out of it. The technology changing day by day. Even though COVID-19 brought us a lot of changes in our lives, it gives wonderful opportunities to us. One among them is, it gave the scope to learn new technologies from the home itself. One of such emerging technology is machine learning. In the present world, a lot of research is going on in this particular field. Through this FDP, we may not share the complete knowledge of faculty machine learning concepts, but I am sure you can back the following concept in these 6 days of faculty development program. On the first day, Dr. Kalpana Rai, the professor and head of the department of SIRTS Bhopal, is going to speak on introduction of machine learning. On day 2, Dr. Ranjit Nair, Professor JL University, Bhopal, is going to deal with the tools used in machine learning. And day 3, Dr. KK Tiwari, Professor, Takshashila College, Bhopal, is going to discuss about the research scope in machine learning. And on day 4, Mr. Vikalp Sharma is an industry expert from Trilogic, Bhopal, is going to deliver on real-life applications on machine learning. And on day 5, Dr. Rajiv Singh, Professor MITS Gwalior, will discuss about the deep learning concepts. And on day 6, Dr. Prashant Rawat, Director NS Technologies Gwalior, will gift us with the lecture on unsurprised learning concepts. I thank our management, Principal Dr. Shankar Sir, for accepting our request to organize this FDP. I also thank Dr. K. Sitaram Babu Garu, the Chairman of Computer Society of India Hyderabad chapter, for his overwhelming support all along, and Sri Ravikumar Sirimalla, the CEO of Trilogic Soft Solutions AP Private Limited, for sponsoring this event. I congratulate the program coordinator, Mr. Raghu, and Mr. Prashant, and the team members from Trilogic, Mr. Sharma and Mr. Dubey, and all the organizing team for arranging this event in very short time. I wish you all the best to the entire team. I especially thank all the speakers for readily accepting our request to share their knowledge. I request all the participants to extend your support for the smooth conduct of this event, because it is an online event and have more than 1,300 participants. So I request all of you to please support us for the smooth conduct of this program. Wish you all the best to everyone. Thank you very much for the opportunity given.